आ जाओ। दादा तुम्ही आमच्या मध्ये आलाय. करू नका.
तुम साइड हटो प्लीज.
थैंक यू. थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ बाबा, पीछे हो जाओ. मैडम मैडम
मैडम मैडम मैडम अशा मैम.
आराध्या आराध्या फोटो चांगला भेटतो.
थोड़ा पीछे.
Guys, mommy, 1 second. Ready? Just 1 second. Can you walk fast upstairs? Thank you. बाबा इथं उभा राहा. बाबा नका जाऊ नका.
काय चिरचिर आहे?
अरे हे तू लय मोठा तू. मग आलं तो कोण आहे मोठा यार? हे ना चालत. हे चालत ना. तू कुठे पुढे जातो? माझी बहीण पण. हे साईड दा मॅम. प्लीज पुरा साईड में हो जाओ प्लीज. मॅडम थांब जरा. ती येईल मारून घ्या आधी. जे भेटते ते पहिलं मार. नंतर काय बोलूच नको तिला. मर्जी सर मर्जी सर. हे आवाज नको करू.
हाँ सर सर सर
सर एक फोटो.
सर एक फोटो.
That's how easy it is, and that's what some fun did for me. According to me, you know, I might not be here, you guys might not be here, but some funk will always be there. As long as there's some, there will be some funk.
25 years of summer funk. Wow! I remember the first day I enjoyed.
अरे
साइड में हट जाओ,
साइड 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 साइड
चलो बेटा अभी
Thank you, parents. Thank you so much for the 25 years. My God, damn tough, but we did it. Wow. You. Come on. Where's Glenn? Come on. Here, Anisha. Everyone. Okay, God bless.
ये स्टिल ये कौन है यार? अरे उसको साइड हटा यार। इसका इनाउंस ही आ गया भाई। संतोष भाई पूरा मिस हो गया इन लोग ये बोलो। ये फोटो
Thank you very much.
He's the best. He's an angel. And you know, I've always said, apart from just spreading the kind of joy through have feet can dance, have faith can fly. I just think he's an absolute blessing to all of us. We have had an exhilarating experience this evening and for the last 25 years. I met him 25 years ago and the love is as fresh as that even to this very second. Thank you. It continues with Aradhya and of course, I mean there's so much more. Go on.
No, I'm just very excited because first of all, Abhishek I babysat, which was another thing we'll discuss, he'll tell you. Aisha was a student and now her daughter. So like that, all of you parents with your children, I'm very blessed to bring them here because this platform will make them so strong, so confident, and especially women.
And all of you were amazing today. We have loved the performance to all the dancers. Every one of you, all the kids, all the seniors, everybody and all of you for all these years. Thank you. We love you. You're our family. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to say that I've known Shamak since I was 3 years old. And even when I was 3, I celebrated Shamak's 25th birthday. We're still celebrating Shamak's 25th birthday. Because Shamak is timeless. And it's so wonderful to always come back here because this is family. Everybody's family. All the kids, to the young adults, everybody's part of the Shamak family and we're so proud to be a member of this family. And the one thing Shamak teaches everybody is have feet will die. There we go. Shamak, we love you. Well done. Congratulations on 25 years.
Parents, thank you so much to your children for coming and for really blessing this occasion. It's very important for the children. So thank you for not judging them and just encourage them. That is so important for us. Thank you, dance company. Thank you all my volunteers, Mazareen, everybody on sound, light sets. Everyone I've not mentioned, but thank you so much. Here we have a photograph now.
अरे पण तू हात कसा घेतला सर तू पागल कसा काढू
ओके ओके आराम से आराम से भाई आराम से काम लो ए भाई साइड साइड आ भाई साइड आ तू हिलना मत बाबू ए भाई साइड से आना तू भाई साइड आना भाई भाई साइड से आना थोड़ा साइड से आओ ना
अरे इधर उधर करते
आप लोगों ने अभी अभी आके तुम बोलो मत अभी पहले से आना चाहिए था इधर पूरा पब्लिक इधर हो गए
अरे हटना भाई हटना भाई कौन है अरे मला दाबू नका रे बाबू क्यों बाबू अरे सगळे दाबले आता
मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मेरे को धक्का दे रहे
बघ ना अरे कोपरा
मेरे ऊपर रख रहा ये हाथ नीचे कर
श्यामकले एकत्र करायला सांगते फोटो हिलो मत प्लीज हिलो मत सबका खराब होगा हिलो मत हिलो मत रे अरे बाबा ये ह्याला बाजूला कर प्लीज हिलो मत यार प्लीज हिलो मत मेरा फोकस जा रहा है
अरे यार ये मोबाइल थोड़ा नीचे कर
सो वी नीड अ पिक्चर शामक से एक पिक्चर करते हैं
सर वन पिक्चर विद फैमिली
पिक्चर करते हैं
वन ग्रुप पिक्चर विद फैमिली
वन साइड प्लीज एक साइड में ये कैमरा अरे आप हाथ को नीचे करिए एक साइड ये मेरा फोकस जा रहा है वन साइड प्लीज मैंने खोल दिया बोले मिल गया भाई मजी सर यार अरे यार मत डालो बूम बीच में
ये बूम निकालो होने वाला नहीं है बाइट बूम निकालो Bye guys, thank you very much. मार इधर बस इधर से मार
Abhishek, just about the performance.
ये बस करना क्या नाम है मत पूछ ना तू क्या है ये क्राइम का शूट कर मत पूछना वो इन लोग करते हो वो टीवी वाले लोग करते हैं ऐसा मत करना ये पीछे ना ये पीछे आ रहे
Thank you. Guys, just be careful.
Rolling.
The camera.
Okay. Roll. So first of all, big congratulations.
Thank you.
Kapil has completed 25 years.
Yes.
So how do you feel from your started from journey from 1994?
Oh my God, I feel blessed. I think that's the only word I can use because to make dance become respectable in India, it was very difficult, especially Western dance. And now 25 years we've been doing this program where we've been having people from the age of 4 to 84 and people who are who can't see, who can't talk, who can't hear, mentally challenged and physically, disabled. It's just something that is just unbelievable that we can give that platform, and I'm very grateful to God and my spiritual guides, the Bhavnagris, who have really helped me to bring this, to every child out here. So I'm extremely blessed, as I say. That's the word I use.
Okay, Shama sir, whenever we will take a name of a dance, everyone, if we will talk about Shah Rukh, everyone, they take your name only.
Oh, sweet.
And they also said that the revolution in our dance industry are brought by Shamak sir. Or people also say you are a contemporary guru.
How
So
sweet.
how do you feel?
I feel very touched that people say all this about me, and I feel very humble because the thing is that it was not very easy for me to come here doing this because opposition was too much. Both opposition tha. It was too much. But then today the same people are sending their children to class. So for me that is like, God saying, bless you. So I felt very, very touched about that.
Okay, sir, your student also have become a superstar now. So how proud do you feel as a guru? Like Shahid.
I don't know about guru, but I know I feel like he's a baba. He's my baba. He's my baby. He and then Varun and then Sushant and then my Bamal Irani, who was always with me in Summer Funk and taking photographs. Such a sweetheart today, such a huge star. And my Aishwarya and Abhishek, and just every one of them who've been so, so loving and so warm and so part of my school. And I just feel very, very blessed again. I know I'm saying the word blessed again, but that's the only thing I can think of, because to do this when dance was not even respected, today it's being respected. Girls can dance and they're not looked up as bad girls because they can dance and they're given respectability. For me, that is so important. Because the three people I respect the most is my grand aunt, who is Hunterwali, Fearless Nadia, then my spiritual guide, Mrs. Bhavnagri, who wrote the book, The Laws of Spirit World, and my mother. All three women, strong women. So I do everything and anything for women and to make them respectable and to be respected and let women, who dance, be respected. There's nothing wrong if a woman dances. So for me, that is very important. And especially children and girls. And it's so important to allow people to know that there's nothing wrong with dance, and dance is such a confidence building exercise. It heals you, it helps you, it's just fantastic.
Okay, so I have also I have brought a request from our audience that people wanted you to perform again your album.
Oh my God.
They also want again to see you again dancing or doing any album.
Oh,
is there any
sweet.
plan in future?
There's no plan. No, there's no plan, but you never know. You just never know. Because my Jaane Kisne Dil Tha Abhi Seene Mein, that song is, till today people remember that song, and I feel really happy about Mohabbat Kar Le Re and Dil To Pagle and Taal. So I'm happy that people remember that. But I don't know about the new generation, but I know that the elder generation knew about that.
Okay, what would you like to say about the stargates that today they're going to perform, like Aradhya, Ishan Shetty? So what would you like to say?
I'm very, very touched and happy that, my Aishwarya, who was my student, is sending her daughter, and she's my student. So it's like a whole circle. So I'm very happy, very touched, very blessed. And I also feel that, that these star kids are very sweet children. They're like any other child. Even the parents who come, they come quietly, they sit quietly, they don't behave like stars. So I feel very happy and very touched that they like normal parents come, and there's no shusha, there's no natak. It's just, they're very nice and very professional and good parenting. So they come, they sit, they watch. Jayanti also came. It was so nice. But it's not only about star kids, it's about every child. Every single child and its parents and their parents are very important for me. Because eventually if the parents don't support the children will not know what to do. And they need a guide over them, and that's the parents. And I've been very lucky to have parents like mine. So they've, helped me to
go forward in life.
Okay, lastly, sir, any message you like to give who wanted to dance? Anything you message you like to give?
Yeah, I say that if you really want to dance, you must do it. And you must not feel shy or worry about what people will say. It is respectable. It is today respected. Girls can dance, boys can dance. There's nothing wrong in dancing at an early age. As long as you are happy and doing anything that doesn't hurt anybody or yourself, you must do it. And that is very important for me. And dance is like a spiritual thing for me. I mean, Shiva danced. It's like, India's known for dance. Yeah. In any festival, in any marriage, in anywhere, we dancing. We dance on the roads, we dance everywhere. So for me, dance is God.
Thank you, Tega. Have a pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, recently the Progress the Kings is awarded.
Kings United. Arey wah. Suresh is a very dear friend of mine. In fact, I used their team many years ago in my video called Shabab. And Suresh has been a wonderful person, and I met him recently. I did the Filmfare Awards with him and his team. And I cannot tell you how proud I feel that dance is actually winning world championships and getting 10 on 10. 10 on 10. It's not even 9 on 10 or 8. They got 10 on 10. It's never heard before in the world of dance. So for me, Suresh, God bless you, Kings United. God bless you. And I'm always there for you. And I've told Suresh also that don't worry, I'm always there for them. They have all my love and blessings.
Thank you, sir. Have a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
you.